Hello everyone, and welcome to our look at this beautiful farmhouse-style Victorian daybed frame today. This versatile twin-size furniture piece blends classic industrial charm with modern functionality for any room. The solid metal structure features strong steel slats that support up to 400 pounds easily. You will never need a box spring because the reinforced design prevents quaking and scratching. Enjoy over 12 inches of under-bed clearance to store your extra items and save space. Assembly is simple with labeled parts and clear instructions provided in a single convenient box. Upgrade your guest room or living area with this elegant and durable metal platform mattress foundation. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.